What's going on, my friends? Today we're back in Frankfurt and it's snowing today, as you might see, and we're going to do some more point of view videos with street photography, and we're going to test something very special today. This is the Yongnuo portable light. The exact name will be displayed up here, and a little bit later we will have a model joining us, and then we will see how this light performs. Alright guys, let's keep rolling. So, once again, it's freezing cold in Frankfurt. That's why you really need to get your gloves with you. Otherwise, it can become easily way too cold for your fingers to handle. Let's get a good composition. I want more depth. Let's go here. I really hope that the snow comes out more in the image later, because right now I can't see so much of it. Oh yeah, I love that taxi in the back. You see that reflections? Oh, and this woman. Let's get something out of here. I need a higher shutter speed. This is so much fast action. I need a high shutter speed, and let's take ISO. Let's put ISO on auto. Otherwise, you can't handle the stress, You can't always make sure you're in the best settings, otherwise you'll lose your moment. And this is the most important thing, that you get the moment. And you need the perfect moment, So that millisecond you need for exposure usually is too much. Cyclist. Awesome, I love that. You need things that pop a little, subjects that create symmetry. Or if there's no symmetry, you need to work with colors, you need to work with leading lines, and especially this is what we're going to do today. Oh, you see that man coming there? Don't walk so fast, my friend. Yeah, it's very, very bluish and grey out here, so kind of a challenge, because you need some kind of light sources to get something. Awesome. I love that. It's snowing in Frankfurt, it's freezing cold. And I'm walking here with the camera, trying to get some shot. Oh, you see that cyclist? Come on, focus. I think I missed it. Let's try to get that one. Looking good. I think that's a nice shot. Oh, that guy in red. Perfect. Come on, walk there. I think I switched to street side, because here everything is wet, so you've got some reflections. And you got a lot more interesting background. Look at that. So basically I need someone to come over there so I get an interesting picture. Perfect, come on. Bam. I love it. And guys, again, taking photos from strangers is sometimes awkward. Sometimes it's fine. Most of the time it's awkward. But you know, you get over it as soon as you take a few pictures from strangers, and then it keeps rolling and rolling, and boom, your Instagram is suddenly full of street photography images. So if you've been here with me last time, then you might remember this place with beautiful sunshine and everything nice and sunny. And today we have the complete opposite, but trust me, it's gonna look amazing. That looks cool. I love that car. It's one of my favorite cars. It's the Audi TT. Oh, damn, that looks fresh. That's a pretty car. That's what I mean by Frankfurt has the best cars. Alright guys, we've got finally our model with us. Let me introduce you, Denise. She is super amazed about being my model for today. And we have this nice little toy. This is the Yongnuo portable light. And again, I will display the name here in this corner. And what this does is makes it super bright, and I mean super bright. But you don't only have this option, you can use RGB stuff as well. The first composition I've thought about was in front of this street, because we've got a nice background with a lot of leading lines, and you got the cars in the back, so you have a light source, you know. And we use this light to give you a little bit of contrast, and hopefully we will illuminate even the snow. So what lens do we have with us? This is the 35mm 1.4 by Samyang, a brilliant lens to do environmental portraits, and that's exactly what we're going to do today. So first we will try out without the light. Okay, that's already looking cool. Look in this direction. You could walk into my direction. Okay, can you walk straight to the camera and stop maybe like a meter before? And for this shot, you might take the mask off. Okay, let's go. Okay. And now we'll try with that light. So you've got this nice remote here, where you're able to set up any color you want. And we're choosing something warm. That's a green light, orange, blue. Where are the red ones? Oh no, this one. Yes. Now we're trying something different, because as you can see, oh yeah, that looks freaking cool. I got that snow. Can you put your back to the side maybe? Okay, and now give me... Oh yeah, look to the side again. Okay guys, we need to be quick today. Not much time left because our fingers are melting.
But I think it's not that
freezing.
tricky if I hold it.
Yes, I'm going to hold it by myself.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that is good. Let's give us a full body portrait. Okay, and now we go a little bit closer. Look sexy. And now look to me. That's enough for today. We're about to freeze our asses off. I hope you liked the video. If so, make sure again to leave a comment, a like and subscribe. Until next time, goodbye.